Hey guys, Andrew from Viewatics. Here I have the Batman Arkham Origins Collector's Edition, and I'm going to do an unboxing video. So let's get right into this. Okay, so here we have the prototype, or the blueprints for the Batwing. Got the flight mode, all the different angles, front, rear, landing. Pretty cool. Then we have the Anarchy map. We have the doser, or the wanted poster. Got the two pieces of evidence. Looks like a tooth. Let's see what it says. Evidence. And dental. Possible missing persons. And then we have a poker chip. Let's see what it says. The final offer 10K casino chip. And then we have, I think this would be all of the, okay, just give me a quick second here guys. Sorry about that. Here is all of the, here's the contract, One Night to Kill the Bat, the payment, picture, and got all the details. Well, most of it's unknown, but you know. So that's the contract. Got the assassin agreement. And then we have our assassins. We got Lady Shiva. Deathstroke. Copperhead. We got the Mexican wrestler Bane. Got Firefly. Deadshot. Electrocutioner. And Killer Croc. Then we have the Necessary Evil Supervillains of DC Comics DVD. Actual game itself. What is this? Here we have the art book. Art book with the Wayne family portrait and the Anarchy logo. You can spray paint it. It looks pretty badass actually. And then we have the art book. It has various maps. Probably has character. Yeah, it's got characters. Pretty cool stuff there. Oops. Fix that after. Then, let's see if I can do this in one hand. Yes, I can. Okay, just give me a quick second again, guys. Sorry about that. So here is the statue. This is actually pretty cool. Let's see. Sorry about that. Out of here. Get this out of here. Bam. Here is the North American statue of the Joker. We got the contracts on the floor here. Bunch of TVs in the back. Got Joker. Got some cash. Briefcases. You know. Cool stuff. So, that was the unboxing of the Batman Arkham Origins North American Collector's Edition for Xbox 360. hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for some possible gameplay footage, and for some more reviews on the soon to be released in Canada Arkham Origins figures. And yeah, so stay tuned, guys. See ya.